Undo the cap and remove the hose. Then remove the R-clip from the operating lever and pull the lever out. And remove the operating lever sleeve by pinching the two little levers and pull it out. Remove the cap and the strainer. Then remove the harness by pushing the harness back through the slot and pulling out the pin. Sometimes a bit fiddly. Remove the harness from the lower part of the frame, also by pushing it back through the frame and removing the pin. Undo the tank screw. You can use a 50p piece or a big screwdriver. Undo it and release it from the tank. Unscrew the air chamber by putting your hand inside the tank and turning it anti-clockwise. Pull it out. Then detach the tank from its seat in the pump by just giving it a good little pull. Slide the pump out of the frame. Pump cover. And then the spring. Undo the diaphragm nut. This releases the diaphragm. Just check that it pulls out of the pump. And then you can pull the pump arm off the pump. Remove the bearings from the pump and set them to one side. Use a flat-headed screwdriver to remove the inlet valve, then a pair of pliers to remove the outlet valve. Then undo the screw in the centre of the diaphragm with your screwdriver with a socket on the end. Washer out of the diaphragm. Remove the diaphragm holder, sleeve and the nut from the pump arm.